This is Matthew with Swordslinger Custom Holsters. I wanted to get on here real quick and show you our outside the waistband Maker's Choice style holster. This is our most popular outside the waistband design. Finished this up this week for a client. It's for a 4 1/4 inch 1911. Like all our leather holsters, even our backs to our hybrid holsters, we hand mold each one. We don't use a vacuum press or any other type of method to mold the leather for your model weapon for the holster. This one here, by hand molding it, what we do is we get a tool and we get in all the little cracks of the weapon, and that way if you got a 4 1/4 inch 1911, a 4 1/4 inch 1911 is going to fit in there. A Beretta's not going to fit in there, a Glock, nothing else. We don't make any universal style holsters. In my opinion, there is no such thing. By hand molding it, you get a positive retention on that weapon in the holster, and it just works well. We also line all our holsters, leather holsters, and what that means is basically we put another piece of thinner leather inside the holster that's slick, and it's not rough out leather on the inside. That does two things. It makes the holster what we call a laminated holster, where both sides of the holster is actually two pieces of leather bound together, and it makes it hard, and it helps keeping it from collapsing. And by doing that, it helps make it a more durable holster, makes it last longer. And like I said, when you go on the draw and you go to reholster, you don't have to worry about that holster collapsing. What they call the stiffener or the reinforcement piece helps that as well. This one here is also by lining it, it also helps the finish of the weapon a little bit. I tell people it does help protect the finish of the weapon, but no holster is going to keep your finish from rubbing off. Eventually, if you use it every day, it's going to rub off. Like I said, this one's for a 4 1/4 inch 1911. Got a positive retention. And this one here, the client ordered a single mag carrier. One of our single mag carriers for it. It's going to go on the left side, bullets facing forward. We make these in double and even a 4-cell mag carrier as well if you do competition shooting. So anyway, this is just a real quick video I wanted to do. This is, like I said, a Maker's Choice outside the waistband. If you're interested in one of these or you have any questions, my name's Matthew. I make them. You can go to www.swordslingerholsters.com. Contact me through there. You can check us out on Facebook as well. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.